What sets Riverstone luxury fifth wheels apart from its competition? Superior construction, master craftsmanship, quality materials, and attention to detail. When you combine all of these ingredients together, each of our Riverstone customers will enjoy an enviable lifestyle on the road, knowing that their unit, wherever they may go, will always feel like home. Rolling out a Riverstone fifth wheel is not a quick or easy process. Each unit is constructed at our facility, located in Millersburg, Indiana. The production time for every fifth wheel from beginning to end is approximately 2 weeks, compared to most RVs that are built in 3 to 4 days. With every production process, there's a beginning. So let's start with the suspension and tires. Our Riverstone suspension system starts with the Dexter Safety and Performance Package. £8,000 Easy Lube axles and Easy Flex equalization system. For over 60 years, Dexter has been considered the industry leader in suspension. With Riverstone, you can be assured that your coach will ride smoothly and give you the gift of stopping power when you need it most. Riding on top of the suspension is a 12-inch I-beam frame that has been specifically designed for Riverstone. For example, notice the bath deck is welded steel, tying the frame and the bath deck securely together. This process gives us a stronger frame than competitors who design their bath decks out of aluminum and try to merge that with steel. Riverstone's Z-frame also allows for over 100 cubic foot of pass-through storage at an easily accessible loading and unloading height. Individual impact-resistant waterproof panels are slid between the steel I-beams of the frame. These individual panels are anchored to the frame with a braced wood backer. This sectional design allows for easy access. An R38 radiant thermal foil is laid along the entire underbelly with glass wool insulation. Black, gray, and freshwater tanks are installed with individual 12-volt heating pads on all tanks. Riverstone's all-aluminum floor structure starts with 3-inch studs, 16-inch on centers. Glass wool insulation is then hand-cut and attached between the framing. Heat duct and water lines are run inside the floor substructure and are protected within the floor frame. Siloprene super adhesives are applied on every stud on the floor frame, then covered with a 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floor. The plywood is securely screwed down to the aluminum frame every 6 to 8 inches. Once the floor is completed, it is then lifted onto the frame. It is carriage bolted securely to the frame. The Riverstone floor is designed to withstand the daily rigors of travel and to absorb road stress. Notice the tripod that the Riverstone frame is riding on. This simulates how the fifth wheel will sit when hooked up to your tow vehicle. Industry practice is to have dolly wheels under the front jack legs, but not at Riverstone. The flex of the frame is different when attached to your tow vehicle. This practice ensures that each coach is level and allows for a tighter fit and finish on the Riverstone. Kitchen cabinets are one of the most striking features in any fifth wheel. Our cabinetry is designed by skilled craftsmen. The hardwood styles are pre-drilled and countersunk for long-lasting strength, beauty, and will stand the test of time. Riverstone's advantage: our famous all-aluminum superstructure, floor, roof, and sidewalls are built better, and here's why. Competitors use a welded frame design with studding 24 to 40 inch on center. These frames are not designed for strength, but for structure. The strength of the wall comes from the wall being one piece, or what we call in the industry, lamination. Riverstone's handmade all-aluminum 3-inch sidewalls are built on 16-inch centers or less, just like your home. Each piece is attached by an individual custom L-bracket that is combined with siloprene adhesives that are designed to absorb road stress. Our siloprene bonded sidewalls have a 475 psi rating and actually get stronger as it ages. It is resilient and has an outstanding resistance to moisture, UV rays, temperature, and creates a bond that cannot delaminate over time. Compare that to a laminated wall with a 75 psi. Which would you prefer? We glue glass wool insulation between each stud for maximum insulation expansion. Each piece of paneling facing the outside of the coach has a layer of foam core as a backer. Foam core adds to the insulation and will help minimize outside noise, so your Riverstone will be nice and quiet. The exterior is Crain Composites True Gel Coat exterior. Using this top-of-the-line fiberglass assures Riverstone customers that they're getting the best of the best for years to come and will age gracefully with time. Don't be fooled by the new plastic reinforced high gloss exteriors. They will fade with time and can't be easily repaired. Riverstone's 5-inch aluminum roof rafters allow us to run a full 8-inch wide racetrack air duct system, which allows for better airflow compared to our competitors' 5-inch wide ducts. Add to that Dometic's Quiet Zone air system, and you finally have residential cooling without the noise of a drop air. Two 15,000 BTU HP or high-performance air conditioners are standard on every coach we build. Each air conditioner has a larger compressor and will give 30% more cooling power per air conditioner than the old-fashioned 15,000 BTU air. An optional third HP air conditioner is also available. Each Riverstone comes standard with an energy management system, ensuring that your air systems work together to keep your Riverstone cool on those hot summer days. Triple layers of insulation are used in the roof, including thermal foil. This offers an R38 value and wraps all the way around and under the front cap. Next, the board is laid down to create a full walk-on roof. Dicor Diflex TPO roof membrane is pulled over the entire roof decking. Diflex roofing offers a 12-year warranty and is resistant to the effects of UV. All Riverstone luxury fifth wheels come standard with thermal pane frameless windows for maximum prevention of temperature loss. To ensure that you're extremely pleased with the Riverstone you buy, we inspect every unit in a variety of ways. In-house inspectors test every unit throughout the entire construction process. 100-pound air pressure tests are done on all gas and water lines midway through the manufacturing process. This ensures that all of the utility lines are installed properly as the unit is being assembled. Hydraulics are the most powerful and most reliable systems in fifth wheels. Slide rooms and hydraulic jacks are tested on the production line to ensure proper working order. This process eliminates air bubbles within the hydraulic lines. Water lines and tanks are water pressure tested to make sure that your water systems are in proper working order. Each Riverstone unit is then given a low-pressure air test to ensure that each window and door are sealed properly. Weekly, Riverstone units are put through Forestriver's pre-delivery inspection facility. This gives our customers 20,000 square feet of quality assurance in every coach built by Forestriver. Now you can see why Riverstone is the luxury fifth wheel that experienced customers roll down the road with to their next big adventure. We have taken every step to assure that you will have an RV that offers all the comforts and conveniences of home that you expect on the road. Thanks for watching.